Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is McKenna, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a high converting product page on Shopify. The example product page I'll be showing you how to create looks great on desktop and mobile devices, and I'm going to show you how to fill in the product description, how to add variants such as sizes and colors. Then I'll be showing you how to install a reviews app. In this video, I'll be using the softwares Shopify and Canva. If you're unfamiliar with Canva, you can set up a free account and create all kinds of graphics and video designs. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video. First, you'll want to open Shopify and then click Products. I'm going to click Add Product, and here you'll see a section where you can type the title and the description for the product, upload your pictures and videos, insert the price of the product. Then down here you can track the quantity. Then if you're selling a physical product, you're going to want to insert the weight of the product. This section is for adding variants, and under Product Organization, first you can select the category of your product. You can add a custom category. If you're creating your own products, under vendor, you can just type in your store name. And if you're using a third-party vendor, you can just type in the name of the vendor. Later, I'll be showing you how to create a collection and how to add this product to that collection. And you can also insert some tags so that the product will appear in the search bar of your website. First, you're going to want to make sure that the status of the product is set to active. This way, the product will appear in your online store. If you're just creating a draft product that you might not have out yet, or that you might not have pictures for yet, you can just set the status to draft. This way, it will not show in your store. You're going to type in the title for the product. I'd recommend keeping your title very short and simple. You don't necessarily need to include any SEO marketing terms in the product title. The first thing I'm going to mention in the description would be the shipping policy. This way customers will know right off the bat what your shipping policy is. You can also feature any discounts or sales that you're running. You can use AI softwares like ChatGPT to help you write a little bit of your product description. You're going to want to make sure you're highlighting the product's features. For an example, you can mention that your product is durable, high quality, or has a long shelf life. I'm going to show you how I created a quick trust badge for this section. This step is totally optional, but this will be a nice copy and paste trust badge that you can add to all of your product descriptions. I'm going to open Canva and click custom size. The dimensions I'll be doing are 1280 by 720 pixels. I'll be setting the background to black. Then you're going to click elements, and I'm going to upload a circle element. I'm just going to remove the background of this, then add a border, and I'm going to set the border to white. And next, you can upload some icons to represent what your store offers. I've searched for a quality icon, and I'll be uploading one of these. I'm also going to add a free shipping icon. By the way, if you don't have Canva Pro, just be sure to use their free elements that don't have the Canva Pro badge. I'm also going to highlight that this business has great customer service. Click text, then upload a text box. And I'm just going to put this in bold, then apply the font to Baby's New. Next, you're just going to download this page. And here on Shopify, you can click this little image icon, and you can upload that trust badge. I'd recommend clicking on the picture and centering it. Right below that, I'm going to mention that this product features quality materials. Then I'm going to upload a picture featuring a close-up for the product. Below that picture, you're going to list the important features of that product. Here is where you can list the weight of the product, the size dimensions of the product, and if there's anything important that you need to mention. For an example, if the product includes lead or if it's made of a recyclable material, you want to list off as many important details as possible. I'm going to upload another picture displaying the color variety of the product. And I'm going to add one last ending sales text. And you'll definitely want to feature your shop policies, specifically your shipping policy and your returns policy. I'm just going to be inserting some text boxes, and you can paste in a link leading straight to those policy pages in your store. I'm also going to end it with a little contact section. Once you scroll down, under media is where you can upload the pictures and videos to represent the product. You want to upload pictures that are as high of quality as possible. You don't necessarily need to have models modeling your products, but you'll want to have high quality pictures to display the product at as many angles as possible. And if you're offering the product in multiple different colors or different sizes, I'd recommend displaying all those photos that represent the product and all the different colors it comes in. Next, you can insert the price for the product. Then under cost per item, you can type in how much you purchased the product for from the supplier. And this will help you find out your product margin. Be sure to track the quantity of the product. Under shipping, you can insert your customs information, and be sure to insert the weight of the product. And you can put the weight in ounces or pounds. Next, I'll be showing you how to add variants for the product. I'm going to import an option for size, and for the values, I'll be doing small, medium, and large. I'm going to add another option, which is going to be for color. And I'm just going to put 3 different colors, so it's going to be gray, black, and white. You're going to click on the 3 variants, and right here next to available is where you can key in the amount of inventory you have in stock. I'm going to use this number as an example, but once the product is out of stock, Shopify will automatically display the product as out of stock. Alright, and next, when you click this little photo icon, you can upload a picture to represent that particular variant. I'm gonna scroll up, and here you can select the product category, then put the product type. You can list yourself as a vendor if this is a handmade product, or you can list the third-party vendor you're purchasing it from. Then to create a collection for that product, you're just gonna open Shopify and go to collections, then create collection. You can put the title for this collection, and you can also put a mini description. Personally, I always like to keep the collection type set to manual. Then I'm gonna click save. Then when you open up that product, under collections, I'm just gonna assign it to that t-shirts and hoodies collection. Then you can insert your tags for the product. Then when you open your website theme here on Shopify, click catalog, and that product will show up right here under your catalogs page. By the way, if you're interested in this Shopify website that I'm using for reference, this Shopify theme template is available on my website. I've put together this fully done-for-you Shopify theme template in a downloadable format for in case you just don't have time to design your website. If you're unfamiliar with Shopify templates, after your order, you'll receive it in a zip file format, and here on Shopify, you can easily install that into your store. Just a note, this Shopify theme template does not include this product page I'm showing you how to do. This is an editable website template that you can add your products and your photos to. I also have many other types of website templates for many different niches of businesses. These Shopify templates will help you save a ton of time from designing your website from scratch. I will link these website templates in my description box below. Alright, so here's the default view of the product, and here's how it appears on mobile. And really quickly, to get the black background for your product page, you're just gonna open your Shopify theme, click colors, then color scheme 1, and you're gonna wanna set this to black, and then set the text to white, and then I'm gonna set the solid button background to white, the solid button label to black, then the outline button to white. Under desktop layout, I'm gonna set this to thumbnail carousel. This way on a desktop or laptop device, buyers will be able to easily click through the photos. And as you can see here, the variants will apply when customers pick their selection. Alright, and here is how the finished product page is going to appear. Over here, you can choose to remove any of these text elements. Alright, and next I'll be showing you how to set up your reviews. Under search, I'm going to select apps, click all recommended apps, then I'm going to open the Shopify App Store. I'm going to search for reviews, and I'll be installing the Air Product Reviews app. This app is free to install. They do have some optional memberships that you can get, but for the most part, you can just grab the free plan. Here is where you can manage your reviews. You can manage the display of the reviews, and there are also some additional sections that you can customize. You're going to open your Shopify theme and then click apps. You're going to want to go ahead and turn on the Air Reviews app. I'm going to click display reviews, and under review sidebar, I'm going to click setup, and you can keep the sidebar if you'd like, but personally, I'm just going to turn this off. Then when you open that Shopify theme, you're going to click on that product. I'm going to scroll all the way down, click add section to template. Then under apps, I'm going to import a reviews box. Under choose layout, I'm going to set this to the grid layout. Then I'm going to set the text color to white. And this is how your reviews section is going to look. And here's also how it will appear on mobile. When customers click to review, they will be able to submit their review, and they'll need to provide an email to match their order. I'll put an example on the screen of how the reviews will appear once they're submitted. Then next, you're going to open the Air Product Reviews again, click Display Reviews, and I'm going to set up the star rating. This is currently set to detailed. I'm just going to set it to simple. Click Save. Then right here under the title of the product, you can click Add Block and upload a stars rating. And that's going to be a clickable section that takes customers to the reviews. Once you're finished, that's how I added the direct reviews section. Alright, and then next I'll be showing you how you can customize your checkout page. Right here, you're going to open your checkout page. And when you click theme settings, then checkout, here you can upload a background image for the cart page, and you can upload your logo. Right here, you can change the background color of the section. And you can also change the accent colors. And here's how this section appears on mobile. Alright, and once you're finished, that's how I designed this product page on Shopify. Don't forget, this pre-made Shopify theme template is available on my website. I've put together this fully done-for-you Shopify website template, and if you're unfamiliar with Shopify template, after your order, you'll receive it in a zip file format. And here on Shopify, you can easily install that website theme into your store. This website template is already laid out and designed for you, so all you have to do is add your pictures and change the text. I've included a step-by-step installation guide to help you with installing and editing this Shopify template, and I will link that in my description box below. I also have many other types of Shopify themes for many different business niches, including beauty, cosmetics, hair, clothing, apparel, and even Shopify themes for dropshipping stores and home decor businesses in many different color schemes, styles, and layouts, so you can just choose whichever one catches your eye and whichever one you feel will fit your business. These templates will help save you a ton of time from designing your website from scratch, and they also include some Canva web banner templates. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're interested in another style of Shopify website, check out this video here on my channel.